So good morning all, and I request everyone please turn on your camera. So everyone is ready with pen and paper? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to conduct one more PPT today. Or let me share my screen. My screen is visible to all. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the instructions. I hope you all have clarity about the instructions. So I'm not going to repeat the instructions. Okay. Directly we will jump onto the picture. I will flash the picture for around 30 seconds and then I will give you 5 more minutes. 1 minute for filling up the box and write the action part and 4 minutes for writing the whole story. And then after the 5 minutes, you have to stop writing and you have to send the stories inside the group. And then I will give you 5 more minutes to prepare for the individual narration, followed by the individual narration and group discussion. And after that, I will give you individual feedback. Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me share the picture. Here is the picture. Start writing. You have 5 more minutes to complete your story.
A few moments later.
Okay, time up, everyone. Stop writing. Send your stories in the group fast. And you have 5 more minutes to prepare for your individual narration. And I have allotted you chess numbers. And then we will start with the individual narration, followed by the GD. You have 5 more minutes. Fast, send your stories in the group.
A few moments later.
So after the group discussion, you have to nominate one person for the common group story. So this is how we are going to start. So chess number 1, you can start with your individual narration.
Gentlemen, from the given picture, I have perceived total 7 to 8 10 characters, age between 24. The action of my story is having a game in a class. Ramu 24 was a class representative of Patna University. One day, when her teacher was not able to come to her class, he decided to organize something unique and creative in his class, so that the students get indulged in something, doing something creative. So he, along with his girls representative, decided to come up with a plan in organizing a quiz competition inside the class. They discussed something and they gave questions to entire class. Uh, and then the whole class was indulged in doing, in the whole class was indulged in this. This whole thing was seen by the principal and he was placed later on. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. Gentleman from the picture had perceived multiple characters, age bracket between 18 to 21. Mood positive, action, education camp by road track. Rakesh 24, currently a final year student and also active road tractor. One day in the morning, while coming back to his city from hometown, he noticed that the school in his hometown is lacking something, such as teaching techniques, books, tables, and all other decorum. He consulted this issue with his group member through a Gmeet, and they come up with a plan that they will be having different actions on this. Starting with, they will go for a drive for the collection of the stationery as per their need. They've also divided the subject among themselves, and they will also introduce few games to make it more interesting. They selected the set mostly date close to summer vacation so that they can interact with all the students and also not lose their academic purposes. They put forward the plan in front of the principal of the school. He also agreed. They went to the location, interact with the child, and found it very interesting. Not only for the child, but it was also for the people of the road tractor. It was really
Time up.
motivating.
Next.
Thank you.
Friends, from the picture, I have perceived total 9 characters, 2 males, 7 females. Age bracket 24 to 27 years. All are in positive mood. Action of my story completing project. Rahul was the student of MTech final semester and he was the leader of a project group. So first of all, he called the meeting of his friends and did the literature review, noted the findings and decided to make the project on the agriculture drone. So he divided team in sub teams. First team did all the design parts. Second team purchased the spare parts from the market. He himself made a software on the laptop and he assembled the agriculture drone with the help of his friend in the laboratory. He tested very well and addressed if there is any shortcomings. And finally, his project selected for the higher production. He thanked to his friends and shows gratitude towards his teachers. Thank you.
Friends on the picture shown, I will pursue seven female characters and two male characters. They are in the age group of 16 to 18 and all are positive. The action of my story is writing preparatory exam. My protagonist, Karthik, is studying in 12th standard in BMC Metric High Secondary School. He and his class were given schedule of preparatory exam for the upcoming board exam. So Karthik organized a group study in his home. And after that, all came to the class. He motivated them by giving a speech, gave them the exact itinerary to how to follow the exam. He told them to write the easy question first, then proceed to the hard question. Be sure with the one-word answers. Write confidently and effectively. All started to write the exam, and all were in a good flow. And they, as per plan, they all followed in good touch. And after that, Karthik also pointed out the error in question paper. He also made it correct. Then they completed the exam, and he told them to repeat the same time in the public exam, and all could do well in the public exam. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. The theme of my story is inter-house competition. Coming to my story, Mahesh is a student of Bhavan School. As on every 20th June, inter-house competition is conducted. So he organized certain events like quiz competition, essay writing, and calligraphy. His friends also helped him in this, as his friends helped in preparing questions for quiz and assembling the students. As students were disciplined, it didn't took a burden on them. They conducted the competition very fairly, and the kids have also enjoyed in that. And lastly, the Karna team has won the competition. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. In my story, I have perceived 7 characters, 6 female and 1 male. So Raju is Ram is a teacher in girls' school. He has taught all the students solving Rubik's cube for increasing concentration and logic building. One day he decided to held a Rubik's cube competition. So during the competition, he also encouraged everyone and told them to focus nicely while solving the cube. After the competition was over, he also encouraged them to now try to solve other Rubik's cubes as well, like 4x4 and 5x5. That's all. Thank you.
I have perceived 9 characters, 6 female, 3 male of age between 20 to 28 with general mood positive. The action of my story is teaching sessions in college. Ravi, 23-year-old, was an MTech student. During final year, they have to assist their professors in conducting classes and in copy checking. So Ravi's professor gave him a task to take class of BTech students on super elevation topic. Firstly, Ravi, with the help of notes, internet, ChatGPT, prepared the topic, then conducted multiple practice sessions in front of their friends so that he can rectify his mistakes and take an advice from his professor. That day came, Ravi, with full confidence, conducted the class and with the help of slides, helps the students to make better understanding. Then also he has taken doubt classes and clear all the doubts. Then Ravi's professor have taken suggestion from the students what he can be corrected. Then thank you.
Gentlemen, as many people have been concerned about the number of characters, we can go with that 8 characters are there, and all thing goes around the education background. So we can go forward with the education background things.
I can say
We are
that
currently working with
Recording.
Characters are
regarding the
doing
gentlemen, I think we should assume that the theme of the story is what is a common feature of teaching them, and this
There is no confusion between the number of characters. It is only
so
7
this we
male
can go with
characters.
that. Yes, adding
There is
the
no confusion between the number of characters. There
we
are
can
7
go with
female
further
characters
with
and
adding
2
that
male
number of
characters.
characters
They
are
are
very
possible.
limited. Yes, and then we can go with the education theme. We can go with the education theme.
Okay, so without wasting time, we can take number of characters 9 out of which 7 are female and 2 are
What is
male.
happening? The
Yeah,
activity
yes,
of
yeah,
the
there are 9 characters, 7
there is no doubt that there are more than 9
and
characters.
age bracket
7
of the
is female and
characters
2
is
male.
22 to
Okay, Raj,
27 years
and
and all are
Raj,
Gentlemen,
you can
let's
take
looking
number of
forward
characters
that
nine.
characters we should focus more on the theme.
are doing some work on the table. So we should select our theme like they are working on a particular project. So we can
Yes.
add more action in
Okay,
this.
so what
With
action
Raj
should
going
we
ahead, we can
take?
looking for the theme of an education background, as most of the people's story revolves around that only. So we
Yes,
have given
I
a number
agree.
of characters. Yes,
The
yes,
project completion also a education theme
yes,
because
looking
they are
forward, we
working in
have
the
decided the number of
or on the
characters, the
table.
education background theme,
They
and now
are-
we should focus on
what
discussing about the theme.
How is this
of
theme?
the-
They are
Okay, we are wasting time only on themes, so the common theme should be that
Fix the
they
theme
are
as this.
conducting
They are having a competition
class, so
next
we
week
should
on
go
a-
with the theme organized.
They are having
We have also observed that there is one common server who has been clearing doubts of their students.
So
So
this
there should be an
these seven
education
or-
one,
these 7
and
people
there's a
belong to
common
this college group. They are
hero
preparing a
that
project.
gives the education purpose also.
Let's take the thing that both of us are agree on the theme that organizing a debate competition. So be
Okay, we can organize debate
add
competition.
good access.
Let us put some actions to organize a debate competition.
Debate
Instead of going on a debate competition, we can assume them as the
We can add
same.
Siransh to it.
The
Like,
9 characters
Siransh
are in the
holding
same
a-
group. They are in the same team. They are going to compete against other teams. They are preparing for
Yeah.
a.
First of all, our main character selected the volunteers from the same years and from the junior years, divided work among them, like decided the venue and also preparing for the quiz question. Also made a list
After preparing for the quiz competition,
of the participants
took the
and
necessary requirements decisions from the college principal for the conduction of the quiz competition, debate competition. He further proceed with a very good planning and strategy, which start about selection of the candidate and the venue. After that, they proceed forward with the time and allocation. They have printed the small pamphlet for invitation of the people to see for the debate competition. Everything went well in a good manner. He also consulted his, also agreed and thanked his team members supported him for this.
Okay,
In
I
this way,
want
we
to
can
add one
conclude the
more
story.
point in this that also they invited
To add this,
the competition ceremony is also held there, and between the quiz competition, they also means place the games for the audience to play that games and also give prizes to them.
Yes,
Yeah,
and even
definitely.
as a
Yes,
part of the
our main character
refreshment
is
stop
of the
discussion.
that
Stop discussion. I'm going to split your group. ठीक है. Group number 1 is Raj Revatkar, Raj Verma, Jeenu, and Hitesh. Start your discussion.
friends,
As we have now discussed that we have been going with the theme of a debate competition.
So our
And
main
during
character
debate competition, we have discussed earlier that number of characters and the main story revolves around the debate competition. We should speak about in the further part that we are going with the quiz competition,
like keeping
debate
the beep
competition.
bell, alarm bell, keeping the timer. They are getting
Yes, that all the accessories that have been planned by the group of who is managing for the debate competition. As we have discussed earlier, the
he made the
characters
list of
team,
desirable
and we should go
participants
forward
and
adding
also
to the
decided
list
the time and venue, and he made the quiz questions by himself and also with the help of his team. And he
We are
also
going
made
with
the
the
seating
debate
arrangement
competition.
for
I want to
As we
add
are
that
going with
competition
discussing on
and
budget.
also after
And
quiz
adding to that,
also
adding
makes
to the Hitesh point,
for
we
the
can also add that there will be small
Okay,
break between the quiz competition. So we have small entertainment from them, which calls for playing music or some dance competition also. At the end of the quiz competition,
quiz competition, he also made the award ceremony for the winner.
yes, award ceremony
they
will be
also have
Feedback from the
prepared
and also the
participants and from
refreshments
the
will be
audience.
distributed among the individuals who have
They
part,
also got
and they also got the certificates for their active participants.
debate competition.
Yes, after
Yes,
that we can have
we
the
should also highlight
distribute the
one more
refreshment
point,
also
gentlemen,
among themselves.
because for any quiz competition or any organizing event, we need some fund. So we should bring sponsors
That was
from the
mentioned- that
different
was
company
mentioned-
managers.
that
and
is-
That
they
was
are there
mentioned earlier that it
for
will be
their
financed by the college forum itself,
competition time.
as they have good amount of money. And now we will also adding one action that for the location of judge, they have called from the professor from Anadi College, who have been called from a letter of interest from their college. So they have got the venue, they have got the number of characters, the theme revolves around this. So they have got a judge, and also adding to Hitesh point, they have also
Okay,
planned a
stop
small
discussion. Stop
refreshment.
discussion. Time up. Now, Raju, ठीक है, Raju, Ravi, Ashish, and Jeenu. Start your discussion.
Okay, we should proceed with them like they are having a quiz competition or something like that. To add this, I would like to say that the CR is a main role who plays around it. So he will look after the whole everyone candidates and he will deal with the situation. What do you think? Any suggestion regarding this? Like
Yes,
CR is organizing everything.
Yeah, I guess it is a good thing. We can go with that one with the school team organizing a school competition.
Adding to it that since it is since they are having a competition or something like that, then they are having they were talking about regarding the awards and doing some fest. I don't think we should go with that. We could go like this that they had group discussion. They also involved GR into it. They planned they planned inside class and also later when the teacher when we could add a suspense to it like.
Okay, we are confirmed with the team that we are going to organize a quiz competition. So what we did is we got guidance from the seniors and how they did the last year, and we looked upon the feedback, what happened in the last year. We collected them and we worked upon those feedback. We were calculating the budget. We are deciding the venue, what should be happen, organized everything, and contacted the chief guest and called for sponsors, how much they can invest and these things, and for further actions.
Ravi, you're also in the group.
Yes, I just want to modify this a little bit. Since the competition is conducted in schools, so we don't need what we say sponsorships or venue. All we need is a time
Yeah,
schedule.
I agree with Ravi.
And consult, and we can consult seniors as you said. And since there are a group of people in the picture, so we can go with a competition, like as I have said, inter-house competition or any other like competition between 2 or 3 teams. Rather than
Quiz
being a
competition.
debate competition, it would be better if it's a quiz competition, since there are a
Yeah.
lot of people.
He told
We
that
can revolve around. We can revolve
in
around
this quiz
class action. We
competition,
will
they are
not.
preparing questions for the quiz competition. All are preparing
Yeah.
questions for that.
There are around 9 to 11 students there. I
So
don't think
seven
that many
female
students are
character.
required to prepare
All are as
questions.
an activity. Nine
You could add a suspense to it,
activity
right?
they are doing it. They are making many large and large of questions. This should be filtered. So they are preparing not a lot of questions and finally to be filtered.
We can add a suspense to it later on, like when the teacher is not present in the class, they are having this discussion, and soon later on, when there was another period, the whole discussion was seen by the principal, and later they were praised for this.
And they were also preparing and designing pamphlets and brochures for the invitation of this particular quiz competition.
Now
So
everyone
they
can
are-
participate.
Gentlemen, as many of
So
us
friends,
the common
as
story of the
all
discussion was
presume
the
that
quiz
we go to the
competition.
common
We
story,
should go
there
for
are
the
seven
quiz
male
competition. There are
seven
number
female
of characters.
main characters.
There
All
are
are
part of a forum. There are
They are
number of
all
from the
preparing
college
quiz
regarding the
competition.
conduction of a quiz
So main
competition.
character.
Initially started with the taking the permission requirements for the quiz competition. They are divided among themselves. For example, one group will be looking for the venue, location, and for the refreshment. One group will be looking for the consulting the authority for the quiz competition. One group will be preparing question. As if this point we can add on, there being
To add into that, I would like to
They
say
have
that
Definitely, and our main character
by
also
making
boost up the participant and for the
making posters,
main
by
character for the
posting.
audience.
yes.
And he also examined during the quiz competition, time of quiz competition, that no one do any unnecessary things. So by
Yes, they have a
single agency,
volunteer for that. We'll be looking for that.
doing some
The
examination.
will be
Okay,
conducted in a fair
time
and
up
fair
everyone.
manner.
Time up. Now nominate one person for the common group story narration.
We should go with Gino, I guess.
yeah,
I agree with you.
Okay, Ginu.
Sir, as group discussed, we perceived 7 female characters and 2 male characters. They are in positive mode. The action of the story is they are organizing a quiz competition at the college. So our story starts like our protagonist Karthik, studying in final year of Anna University. He and his group mates decided to conduct a quiz competition. So for this, they contacted with the seniors, got many feedbacks which happened in last year, improved on the feedback. They also prepared the venue for the competition. They all sit in a group and prepared questions for lots of questions for the quiz competition, which will be filtered later. They also invited the chief guest who should come there to monitor these things. They also created a group number of volunteers to watch to the discipline actions of the students. They prepared different pamphlets and brochures to invite all the participants. All the group coordinated well and worked together. And on the competition, they all were with full positive energy and all were working good on it. And finally, the competition was held well, and the winners were given prize awards with good refreshments and good rewards. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's start with the feedback. First of all, Raju. Raju, you gave the now today, like yesterday, what you were doing in your individual narration, you gave the single individual character range of age. Like yesterday, one character was in the age group of 24 to 26. Now today, what you did, you gave the group of characters the same age. You made all the characters of 24 years of age, isn't it?
yes, sir.
So you have to avoid that. When you are talking about individual, you have to give the one single number. Okay, one single digit you have to take. Like if there is one character, take him for 24, 26, 21, something like that. Don't give him the range. And when you're talking about group of characters, you can give the range. Like there are variation in the ages of the characters inside the group. So you can talk about like this. Good morning, everyone. In the given picture, I have perceived 4 characters in the age group between 12 to 40. ऐसे करके. ठीक है राजू? Take care of that. Your individual narration, you were fumbling. ठीक है? You were nervous. ठीक है? So you have to work upon that. You have to practice more and more of individual narration during the preparation time. ठीक है? Try to practice as much as you can during the individual narration preparation time. Okay, you spoke for around 48 seconds. Your story was good. You made a story related to organizing quiz competition in absence of the teacher. Your like story was really good. You took the responsibility. Your main protagonist, as he came to know about the teacher is absent, so he wanted to utilize the time for a productive work. So he organized the quiz competition. So this is a very good theme. Okay, your story was really good. You can add more actions to it so that you can speak for around 60 seconds. Okay. participation in GD was not up to the mark. You didn't participate at all during the first two groups. ठीक है, जब मैं मतलब बोल रहा था कि you have to participate, why you were not participating? Like when everybody was allowed to speak during the GD, then your group was also allowed to speak. You were not participating. ठीक है, you have to take initiative, otherwise you will go home. है ना? Why do you want to like sit silently there? You came there for some objective, no? You want to achieve that or not?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है राजू, घबराने की बात नहीं है भाई, पार्टिसिपेट तो करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज अ बैटल, डू और डाई. ठीक है, तो पार्टिसिपेट करो. ठीक है, अगर कुछ नहीं बोलने से बेटर है तो डोमिनेट कर जाओ, लेकिन शांत बिल्कुल मत बैठो. एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू टेक पार्ट इन जीडी. अदरवाइज हाउ आई विल गेट टू नो हाउ जीटीओ विल असेस यू इफ यू आर नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन जीडी. समझ आ रहा है राजू? ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
वर्क ऑन द दिस पार्ट. एंड यू इन योर जीडी पार्ट यू सेड दैट like he was also praised by the principal. Don't ever get your main protagonist praised, like appreciation, reward, award and all. I already told you during the concept time when I was explaining you the do's and don'ts regarding the story writing. Please don't appreciate, thank, award, reward to protagonist. Got my point, Raju?
Yes, sir.
Raj Revatkar.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, your individual narration was good. You made a story related to helping the school in like improving the infrastructure of the school, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Like what you have made your main protagonist. तुम्हारा main protagonist कौन है?
So Rahul, the main one, who is a retractor.
वो क्या है? ट्रैक्टर है? क्या है? क्या मतलब?
So the Rotract, sir, is a youth wing of a Rotary club. It's often a program in college itself.
Okay,
I was
so
a part of Rotract.
being a student of college, you are like you saw your school is not having the proper infrastructure, so you reached out to your school principal and all.
And also not about the school. It's not my school, sir. I am being a final student of engineering, and as a Rotractor, we get opportunity to interact with other villages also for the purpose of the events purposes. So we noticed that there is a school on his hometown that is not being not as per the requirement. For example, student techniques of teaching, stationary materials and all. So he introduced this with his group of Rotractor.
मुझे इसमें पता है क्या लग रहा है? You are unnecessarily creating a problem. Like you are unnecessarily making a school where there is lack of like facilities and the equipments. कि मतलब तुम उनके पास बच्चों के पास बुक भी नहीं है, पेंसिल्स भी नहीं है, इक्विपमेंट्स भी नहीं है, कंप्यूटर भी नहीं है. Why you are creating a problem? गड्ढा क्यों खोद रहे हो? फिर उसको भर दोगे. ठीक है, unnecessarily you are creating it. वहां पे देखो कितनी अच्छी अच्छी थीम्स आ रही है. यहाँ पर क्विज कंपटीशन आ रहा है, लोग प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, कोई एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर रहा है, कोई रूबिक्स क्यूब कंपटीशन करा रहा है, कोई टीचिंग सेशंस ले रहा है. ठीक है, तो why you are creating a problem कि भाई मैं यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ करूंगा कि दिस स्कूल नीड्स योर हेल्प एंड यू हेल्प. वहां पे कोई प्रिंसिपल और अथॉरिटीज नहीं है क्या ये सब करने के लिए? दे आर नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देयर स्टूडेंट्स. दे डोंट नो कि वहां पे इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं है, कंप्यूटर काम नहीं करता है, बुक्स और पेंसिल्स नहीं है स्टूडेंट के पास. क्या ये प्रिंसिपल का काम नहीं है? क्या ये अथॉरिटीज का काम नहीं है? Being a student of college, why you are taking all these responsibilities? Why you are making him unnecessary hero, which is not required?
Yes, sir.
समझ आ रहा है राज?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so you have to work upon your theme part. ठीक है, for this particular picture. Talking about your GD part, your participation is decent, but you are continuously speaking throughout the GD. मैंने एक चीज ऑब्जर्व करी, like you are continuously speaking. Wait for some time. ठीक है, it will irritate the assessor or it will irritate the group members as well if you participate continuously. Once you give your point, everybody listen to your point. Now wait for 2 to 3 candidates to make their own points. ठीक है, let give them chance to speak for 2 to 3 points. है ना? Then you have to jump back to the GD again. ठीक है, don't speak continuously. Your participation, your communication skills are already good. I know that. Due to which you get confidence and you want to contribute more to the GD. But sometimes you have to give and listen to others' opinions as well. है ना? ऐसा लगना नहीं चाहिए कि बस तुम अपने ही बारे में सोच रहे हो, नहीं मुझे ही पार्टिसिपेट करना है, मुझे ही डोमिनेट करना है, मैं ही सब कुछ बताऊंगा. समझ आ रहा है राज? यू हैव टू बैलेंस एवरीथिंग. अगर तुम ही सब कुछ कर दोगे तो बाकी लोग किस लिए हैं?
Yes, sir.
इट इज अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन. इट इज नॉट अ स्पीच बाय यू टू दीज ऑडियंस. ठीक है, तुम इन सबको बता नहीं रहे हो, कॉमन ग्रुप स्टोरी का नरेशन नहीं कर रहे हो. यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन अ हेल्दी ग्रुप डिस्कशन. You are helping the group to reach to a common group story. ठीक है, so don't speak continuously. This will irritate the assessors and as well as the group members. ठीक है, they will counter you. ठीक है, in the GD. Raj Verma,
Yes, sir.
your voice was really good. Like the way you started, है ना? जैसे बाकी chess number 1 Raju, he was speaking at a very fixed tone and low tone. And then Raj came. And अचानक से राज वर्मा ने क्या किया? He raised his tone. अगर मैं being a assessor, if I am sleeping during that time, I will get okay. What happened? like Raj grabbed my attention. This is what you have to do. You have to raise your voice so that you can announce that I am here. ठीक है? You are there for the individual narration and for the group discussion and all. ठीक है? You have to announce your presence. You can do that in any way. And Raj did it really well during your individual narration. You spoke for around 54 seconds. ठीक है? And
Yes.
your story was also good. You made a story related to project, which was related to
Yes.
agricultural drone. And your participation in GD was also decent. But you also have to control yourself, like Raj.
Yes.
ठीक है? You were also continuously speaking. Control your
Yes.
emotions, है ना? I know you want to speak more, but the more you speak, the more others will get irritated by you. ठीक है? So you have to balance the things. You have to count. Like first you gave your point and everyone listened to you. Then wait 2 to 3 candidates to speak their point first. Then you have to come again. Okay, Raj?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Don't show your desperation. ठीक है? This desperation will create a problem for you only. ठीक है? Jinu,
Yes, sir.
Jinu, you gave the individual narration good. Your proper individual narration was good. You spoke for around 59 seconds. Your theme was related to preparatory exams. ठीक है? Although it was looking like those people are giving some sort of writing something, so it is related to some exams and all. So you are justifying the picture, but you can come up with more innovative ideas. Okay, Gino, this is a very common theme, conventional theme, like if they are giving exams and all, they are preparing for the pre-boards before their main boards, है ना? And finally they give the mock test or pre-boards before the board so that they can know the level of exams and competition. ठीक है? This is a very conventional theme. I want you to bring some innovative ideas. Got my point?
Yes.
Your participation in GD was also decent. ठीक है? You also have to control yourself sometimes. ठीक है? You have to balance the participation in GD part. ठीक है? Ravi. ठीक है? Jinu, you got nominated for the common group story. That is nice. But when it comes to common group story narration, the flow was not there. ठीक है? Calm yourself down. Calm and composed. Narrate your common group story with confidence. You got nominated out of 7 chess numbers. It means that you have something special. ठीक है? So don't worry. Don't be nervous about anything. ठीक है? Be confident that why you are nominated, because you have the capability. So you have to give the narration with full confidence. ठीक है? Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Ravi, your individual narration was not up to the mark. Your intro was you fumbled in the intro. ठीक है Ravi? You spoke for around 56 seconds और तुमने बहुत सारे competition carry out करा दिए. You carried out quiz competition, calligraphy and what not.
Essay.
What?
No, sir. I was essay writing, sir.
Essay writing. Just take one thing. Why you are like indulging students into multiple things? Just make a story. Like if you have made a story related to quiz competition, what all steps are required to organize a quiz competition? You can talk about that in your whole story. And finally, you organize the quiz competition, and those who won the competition, you rewarded them and thanked everyone for their participation and make the event successful. Okay, Ravi?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Just don't make a khichdi, like you are involving each and every competition in one thing and you are not talking about the actions in detail. ठीक है? समझ आ रहा है? But participation in GD, not up to the mark. You have to work. You have to participate more. Even though when I asked you in the subgroup that you have to participate, then only you were not participating. Like Raju at least initiated the GD, but you were not participating.
Sir, actually others were speaking, so I was just waiting for the chance to speak.
So you have to get inside the GD. Okay, nobody will give you a chance. Ki Ravi, you can start. Okay, in real SSBs they will not allow you to speak. ठीक है Ravi?
Okay, sir.
Being a fresher, you have some advantage. Like in your group, there will be people who will not participate. So you will get the advantage being a fresher. But at least you have to practice here. है ना? Participate more.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Actively participate. है ना? And Ravi, you during the one point you gave. ठीक है? And what you were doing, like already they have discussed the theme. They have discussed the action. Now you are saying that I don't agree with few points and all. I want to modify certain things. Don't modify and do this time. Don't counter anyone. Just add your valuable points. Gentlemen, I believe we can add these points as well to make our story more comprehensive. ठीक है Ravi? Don't
Okay.
counter others. Don't get into one-to-one conversation with others. ठीक है Ravi?
हाँ, sir.
Ashish, your individual narration was also not up to the mark. You were fumbling. You were using fillers like बीच में आ रहा था. You have to practice more. This individual narration की practice ज़्यादा करनी पड़ेगी.
मेरी
Yes.
स्टोरी कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाती है.
in writing or in individual narration?
इन राइटिंग,
Don't worry about it. Majority of
बट
my
मेरे को ऐसा टाइम लग जाता है कि एक्शन डिसाइड कर देवे.
ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि डोंट वरी अबाउट फिनिशिंग योर स्टोरी इन राइटिंग पार्ट. ठीक है, डोंट वरी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फर्स्ट चूज द बेस्ट थीम विच इज रिलेटेबल और जस्टिफाइंग द स्टिमुलस गिवन इन द इनसाइड द पिक्चर. ठीक है, तो जैसे यू मेड अ स्टोरी रिलेटेड टू रूबिक्स क्यूब कंपटीशन, ऑल्दो देयर वाज नो रूबिक्स क्यूब एंड ऑल, बट यू मेड अ स्टोरी एंड ऐसा हो सकता है कि वहां पे बंदे खेल रहे हो, तो देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग विद इट. So now you have chosen a good theme. So don't worry about it if you have not completed the story in written part. But when you are giving your individual narration, you can complete your story. Then and there only. ठीक है आशीष? Don't worry. But your individual narration, like you were fumbling. ठीक है, ऐसा लग रहा था you are not able to recall, you are stucking somewhere and all. So don't do that. ठीक है, this is the first point where you are going to create an impact in front of an assessor. This is the only point where you are going to speak and all the other group members are going to listen to you for 1 straight minute. ठीक है, so why you want to ruin this opportunity? Don't do it. Okay, Ashish?
Yeah.
Talking about your participation in GD, it was not up to the mark. You also have to take initiative. You have to force yourself to participate more. हम लोग जब तक यहाँ प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिस मोर. ठीक है, अदरवाइज इट इज ऑफ नो यूज. हम लोग इतना जीडी क्यों कर रहे हैं, इतना लंबा क्यों कर रहे हैं, है ना? विदाउट पार्टिसिपेशन, राजू, आशीष, ठीक है, रवि, इफ यू आर नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ ऑल दीज पीपीडीटी सेशंस? ठीक है, these are the trainings. ठीक है, you have to implement the same thing during your SSB as well. ठीक है, if you are not practicing here, you won't be able to implement the same things which you learned here during your SSB. And if you want to get screened in, you have to work hard. You have to participate more.
सर मेरा ना मतलब कैसा होता है कि जैसे फर्स्ट एसएसबी में मैं जब गया था, तो वहाँ पे एक स्टोरी थी, पिक्चर था कि एक फीमेल है और 2 मेल है. तो जो फीमेल है उसने गॉगल्स पहने थे, एक मेल ने गॉगल्स पहने थे और थर्ड मेल ने गॉगल्स नहीं पहने थे. पर जो पहला मेल था जिसने गॉगल्स पहन रखे थे, उसके हाथ में सर्कुलर 2 सर्कल्स बने हुए थे हाथ के पास में. तो मुझे लगा कि वो भी एक गॉगल है. तो जस्ट बिकॉज वन पर्सन वाज वेयरिंग अ गॉगल और उसी के हाथ में एक और गॉगल है, तो मैंने सोचा कि वो लोग शायद किसी गॉगल्स के ऊपर डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं. तो मैंने स्टोरी ऐसी बनाई थी कि वो तीनों फ्रेंड्स हैं और वो तीनों के तीनों इंटर्नशिप किए थे सेम कंपनी में, और उसके बाद उनको वहाँ जॉब भी लग गई. और अभी वो कॉलेज में बैठे बैठे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, कुछ बातें कर रहे हैं अपने पास्ट लाइफ के बारे में कि इंजीनियरिंग में कैसे हुआ ये वो 4 साल से दोस्त है. और अभी वो ब्लू लाइट फिल्टर गॉगल्स जो उन्होंने खरीदा है, बिकॉज उन्होंने रियलाइज किया 6 मंथ्स में कि उनके आईज में पेन होता है, सर दर्द होता है, तो उन्होंने ब्लू लाइट फिल्टर गॉगल्स लिए, बट सबने अलग अलग ब्रांड के लिए है. तो वो लोग उस पर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. तो वो स्टोरी जब मैंने सबसे पहले, मेरा जस्ट नंबर था, तो मैंने जब नरेट करी और फिर बाकियों की सुनने के लिए भी अच्छा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन मिल गया था कि मेरी स्टोरी हो चुकी है, मेरा काम, और मैंने बहुत अच्छे से नरेट किया था उस समय. ये मेरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था. तो उसके बाद जैसे मैंने दूसरों की स्टोरी सुनी तो वहाँ पे सबकी बहुत कॉमन स्टोरीज थी. जैसे कोई उसमें से 6-7 बंदे तो सिर्फ ड्रोन प्रोजेक्ट ही बनाए थे. तो वो देख के मुझे थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस आया था कि मैंने बहुत ही यूनिक स्टोरी लिखी है. लेकिन अभी मेरे साथ ऐसा हो गया कि सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में और उस समय मैं स्क्रीनिंग हो गया, तो मेरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था. पर जब अगर मैं सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में गया तो वहाँ पे मैं स्टोरी बहुत बेसिक से कुछ लिख दिया था कि कुछ बंदे ग्राउंड में खेल रहे हैं और उसको मैं ठीक से फील भी नहीं कर पाया. तो अभी मैं ऐसा करने लग जाता हूँ हर बार कि हर बार ही मैं ये ज्यादा सोचने लग जाता हूँ कि दूसरे क्या लिख रहे रहते थे, ये थिंकिंग कि मैं क्या लिखूँ.
Don't think about what others are going to make story upon. You have to think कि यार मेरी जो ये जो given stimulus है, how I can justify it.
जितने भी आज डिस्कशन, जितने भी नरेट हुए ना स्टोरी यहाँ पे, उनमें से एटलीस्ट 3-4 थीम्स मेरे दिमाग में आए थे और फिर उनमें से मैं फिल्टर आउट करने लगा कि क्या लिखूं. मुझे लगा कि ये तो दूसरा भी लिखेगा, फिर वो नहीं करना चाहिए आगे से.
डोंट वरी, अगर वो दूसरा लिख रहा है तो लिखने दो, अगर तुम्हारे को भी वही दिमाग में आ रहा है तो लिखो. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू इन्फ्लुएंस अदर्स कि एक बंदा, दूसरा बंदा भी यही लिख रहा होगा, तो तुम इसके साथ जा सकते हो कि हाँ ठीक है मैं इसको कन्विंस कर लूंगा. कि तुम डायरेक्टली बोलना कि चेस्टमर सो एंड सो गिव अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थीम, लेट्स मेक अ स्टोरी अपॉन इट, बिकॉज उसकी थीम और तुम्हारी थीम सेम है, तो वो बंदा तो अग्री करेगा ही, वो अब तुम्हें काउंटर नहीं करने वाला. तो यू ऑलरेडी हैव इन्फ्लुएंस्ड वन पर्सन, ठीक है, और वो तुम्हारी थीम भी है, सो यू विल बी एबल टू कंट्रीब्यूट मोर इन जीडी. तो तुम्हारे लिए तो प्लस पॉइंट्स है, ठीक है, फायदा ही फायदा. So this is how you have to approach the GD. Don't think about others, what they are going to do, what they are going to deliver, what they are going to participate, what is their story. Don't think about it. ठीक है, think about yourself, your story, your participation, your individualization. ठीक है आशीष?
हाँ.
ठीक है. Now comes GD part. You have to participate more. Hitesh, your individual narration was good until your last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds में क्या हो गया था?
सर ये स्टोरी मैंने सर अभी बनाई थी, पहले कभी बनाई नहीं थी, तो इसलिए ना कंप्लीट हो पाई थी, थीम में भी टाइम लग गया था।
उसको कंप्लीट करो वहीं पे, जब व्हेन यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग ना फॉर योर इंडिविजुअल नरेशन, कंप्लीट दैट स्टोरी ड्यूरिंग योर प्रैक्टिस ओनली।
यस
ठीक है,
सर,
डोंट वेट कि यार मैं अंदर जाके कर लूंगा, अंदर
Yes,
जाके नहीं कर पाओगे, अंदर जाके प्रेशर होगा।
यस
ठीक है, अगर ऐसे फंबल करोगे तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी।
यस सर, यस
ठीक है, you made a story that your like professor gave your main protagonist the task to teach the BTech students, and he took the responsibility and he taught the topic to the students after researching and all, and finally like he completed his responsibility. तो स्टोरी अच्छी है तुम्हारी, ठीक है, एंड यू डिसेंटली पार्टिसिपेटेड, ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि यू आर डोमिनेटिंग एंड ऑल, तुम अच्छे से अपना पॉइंट दे रहे थे, फिर वापस बैकआउट कर जा रहे थे। योर पार्टिसिपेशन वाज गुड इन जीडी। दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड। अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है यू कैन आस्क।
सर जैसे सर ये रात जीनू ये डिस्कशन कर रहे थे, चांस नहीं मिल रहा था सर, अगर हो भी
Yes.
सकता है एलजीडीएल उधर सर एसएसबी में मेरे को चांस भी ना मिले,
नहीं मिलेगा। दिस इज द सेम थिंग विल हैपन, जैसे राज और जीनू और ये लोग बातें कर रहे थे ना, दिस इज द सेम थिंग विल हैपन, बिकॉज उधर तो वो बिल्कुल ही कोई नहीं सुनेगा तुम्हारी। ठीक है,
उधर
एटलीस्ट
तो
यहाँ पर
मिलता भी नहीं है सर, उधर
हाँ।
तो मिलता भी नहीं है सर बिल्कुल भी।
वहां तो कोई भी नहीं देगा। ठीक है, इवन लाइक अगर तुम फ्रेशर हो ना, फ्रेशर में भी आजकल पीपल आर कमिंग प्रिपेयर्ड। ठीक है, दे विल नॉट लिसन टू यू, तो यू हैव टू, देयर वुड बी 15, हाँ 15 आएंगे, और उसमें से 7 अगर वो स्प्लिट भी कर देगा तो 7 और 8 कैंडिडेट्स होंगे तुम्हारे ग्रुप में। ठीक है, यहाँ पर तो मैं 4-4 में करा रहा हूँ, तब भी तुम लोग कोई बंदा डोमिनेट कर जा रहा है, कोई बंदा बोल ही नहीं रहा है। ठीक है, सो यू विल स्ट्रगल देयर। सो सबसे पहले अपने कॉन्फिडेंस पे काम करो, और जब भी बोलो थोड़ा सा हाई वॉइस, हाई पिच करके बोलो, जैसे राज ने स्टार्ट किया था ना, कि जैसे शेर दहाड़ता है जंगल में, ठीक है, तो पता चल जाता है राजा कौन है। तो तुम्हें भी अपना इंडिविजुअल नरेशन ऐसा देना है, थोड़ा सा एक हाई पिच पे रखना है, जैसे बाकी लोग सो के दे रहे हैं। ठीक है, तुम अचानक से बोल दो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, इन द गिवन पिक्चर आई परसीव सो एंड सो कैरेक्टर्स, तो एक अटेंशन ग्रैब कर लोगे। ठीक है, भले ही तुम्हें हंसी आएगी कि यार ये कैसा अजीब सा बोल रहा है, मतलब ये अपने आप को दिखाना चाह रहा है, लेकिन तुम्हें दिखाना पड़ेगा वहां पे, ये थोड़ा सा दिखावट का वहां पे खेल है। ठीक है, यू हैव टू शोकेस ऑल दीज स्किल्स देयर। ठीक है, यस
सर
राज, यस राज।
एट द जी टाइम we have to a little bit assertive ना, तो तभी तो सर वहां पे क्या ना, आप कह रहे हैं जैसे most of the times we will not get the chance to speak, तो सर you have to be little assertive
You have
and try
to be
to
little-
find the way.
You have to little assertive, at the same time you have to balance कि बाकियों को भी चांस मिले।
Yes sir,
ठीक है, समझ आ रहा है?
yes sir, got it.
My screen is
Sir.
visible to all?
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, we speak about the window while GD part. So, but many times I encounter that there's hardly a window while going for in GD.
Yeah, you have to get that window. ठीक है, you will,
Yes.
there is no proper way कि मैं तुम्हें ये बताऊंगा. You have to be flexible. You have to observe the environment very carefully while the GD is going on. ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें कुछ बताऊंगा, वो चीज वहां पे नहीं होगी, क्योंकि वहां पे रैंडम लोग हैं, दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड्स, देयर माइंडसेट इज डिफरेंट, दे आर गोइंग टू एक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस। ठीक है, सो यू कैन नॉट जज अदर्स, बट यू कैन control yourself, your actions, your participation, so you focus on yourself. ठीक है, so you have to find out the way so that you can squeeze into the discussion, make your point, come out of the discussion, wait for 2 to 3 other speakers to speak, then again squeeze into the discussion and participate. This is how you have to do. Okay Raj?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ये वाली किसकी है? इंटर हाउस कंपटीशन किसका है? टेल मी योर नेम।
रवि सर, मेरा है सर।
ओके रवि। रवि, how many characters were there?
सर 8 नॉर्थ है सर।
8 to 9 characters were there, but you have only mentioned 2 characters. ठीक है, और यहाँ पर भी देखो, you have mentioned the range of the age 10 to 15 डाला है क्या? You have mentioned 10 to 15 here.
13 सर, 10 to 13।
This is wrong. Your box filling is wrong. ठीक है, your theme is action part is good, inter house competition something like that, it is acceptable, but don't fill box like this. ठीक है, your theme and story is good, you made a story related to inter house competition.
ओके सर।
ठीक है, this is how you have to mention, you have to fill the box like this. If you have like analyze or observe 5 to 8 characters, you can mention like this, and you have to encircle the main protagonist. He is going to organize or whatever he is going to do. ठीक है, the main story will revolve around this main character. Students writing preparatory exams, this is Gino's story. ठीक है, Gino, you can think about some more innovative ideas. Although your story is also good, there is nothing wrong with it, but this is very conventional.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, whose story is this?
Sir, my
Please raise your hand or show your face.
Ashish.
Ashish, what you are doing here? ठीक है, दिस इज अ बॉक्स. You have observed 5 characters. You have observed one female here. Make female here 22 positive. One male character here. ठीक है, male 23 positive. One female here. X female 21 positive. अब तुम्हें लगा कि ये जो मेल है ये हीरो है. You have to encircle like this. This is how you have to fill the box. What you are doing? You are giving the age range here. ठीक है.
हाँ.
There is I'm not able to find कि ये positive है कि ये cross है.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो
हाँ.
यू आर फीलिंग इट रॉन्ग. ठीक है, ये गलत कर रहे हो. और फिर मैंने तुम्हें क्या बोला था, देयर इज नो नीड टू ओवरराइट और कटिंग. तुमने सबसे बड़ा कटिंग कर डाला. क्या ये पहले तुमने
आपने
क्विज
बहुत बार चेक किया इसलिए।
जब तुमने क्विज कंपटीशन लिख दिया है, सो व्हाई यू आर थिंकिंग ट्वाइस. ठीक है, दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन स्टोरी. आई नो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स आर गोइंग टू मेक स्टोरीज रिलेटेड टू क्विज कंपटीशन. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इफ यू आर गोइंग ऑन विद द अदर थीम्स एज वेल. तुम्हें पता है बाकी लोग भी यही बनाएंगे, तुम भी बना दो, लेकिन डोंट डू ओवर कटिंग एंड दिस कटिंग एंड ओवर राइटिंग एंड ऑल. ठीक है, दिस विल क्रिएट अ वेरी बैड इम्पैक्ट. दिस विल शो दैट यू डोंट हैव द क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट. ठीक है, you are indecisive. You are not able to make the decision on which you are going to make story. Okay, Ashish.
Okay.
That's why you were not able to complete your story.
Yeah.
सर आपने कहा था कि क्या कहते हैं, मतलब अगर फीमेल है तो उसका एज और मूड लिखो. अगर हम लोग ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं तो फिर कैसे लिखना है सर?
तब भी लिखना है जैसे ये लिखा हुआ है ना. देखो, जैसे राज ने किया है. राज ने फीमेल्स यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व करी, मेल्स यहाँ ऑब्जर्व करे, तो यहाँ पर मेल 26 पॉजिटिव, फीमेल 27 पॉजिटिव, फीमेल 26 ऐसे, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव, ऐसे करके. और जो भी तुम्हारा वो है मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट है उसको सर्कल कर दिया. दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट योर ग्रुप. ठीक है रवि?
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है, यू हैव टू टेक देम इंडिविजुअली इन द इनसाइड द बॉक्स. ठीक है, यहाँ पर तुम एज अ ग्रुप नहीं बोल सकते कि यहाँ पर यू कैन नॉट से कि इन सारे कैरेक्टर्स का एक रेंज में लिख दोगे एज. ठीक है, यू हैव टू इंडिविजुअली राइट द 3 things about each character, that is gender, age and mood.
ओके सर.
ये राज वर्मा की है, कंप्लीटिंग कॉलेज प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, एक्सेप्टेबल, बहुत सही है. थीम भी अच्छी है, स्टोरीज भी बहुत ही डिटेल थी. एग्रीकल्चरल ड्रोन पे. Whose story is this? किसकी
mine.
ये story? राज रेवातकर. How many
Yes, sir.
characters you observed inside the picture?
So I have observed multiple characters. There were more than 8, so I decided to go for people with considering one as male character.
No, this is not the way. ठीक है, if you want to see, if you have seen more than 5 to 6 characters, at least you have to mention 5 characters. I have given you 1 minute यार. 1 minute में तुमने बस यही किया. 1 minute में तुमने बस एक मेल लिखा और एक पीपल लिखा. ठीक है, you have to at least go for this, जैसे राज ने किया. ठीक है, मैं नहीं बोल रहा कि तुम्हें सारे कैरेक्टर्स जितने कैरेक्टर्स विजिबल थे सब बताओ, लेकिन अगर पिक्चर में क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि वहां पे 8 कैरेक्टर हैं, दे आर सिटिंग like separately, like you can count them easily.
Yes, sir.
So you have to specifically talk about the numbers, number of females, the number of males. This will showcase your observational skills. समझ आ रहा है? Why you are
Yes.
so casually filling the box? ठीक है राज, you are not supposed
Yes,
to do
sir.
this. Don't do it again.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Who raised his hand?
सर मैं हितेश.
Yes, हितेश बोलो.
सर जैसे राज वर्मा ने सर करेक्टर मेंशन कर रखे हैं सर, आप एक बार ऊपर करना, ऊपर वाली पिक्चर
रुक
दिखाना.
जाओ. हाँ,
सर जैसे पिक्चर में ये करेक्टर्स लाइन में नहीं थे सर, ये आगे
लाइन में
पीछे
नहीं
थे.
थे. हाँ, ये चीज थोड़ी सी वो है, लेकिन you have to mention the position of the characters inside the box.
सो सर ये ठीक है या वैसे ही मेंशन करने हैं, दिखेंगे वैसे?
जैसे दिख रहे हैं वैसे मेंशन करना. राज ने तो पूरा लाइन से कर दिया. You are not supposed to do that.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, ठीक है. ये वाली स्टोरी किसकी थी? ये वाली राज की ना. एजुकेशन जैम बाय, ये समझ जाना राज, मैंने तुम्हें जो स्टोरी के लिए बताया
Yes, sir.
वही चीज है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, डोंट मेक अननेसेसरी प्रॉब्लम्स, डोंट क्रिएट इट. ठीक है, इट इज प्रिंसिपल एंड अथॉरिटीज ड्यूटी टू इम्प्रूव द
Yes, sir.
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड ब्रिंग लाइक स्टेशनरी आइटम्स फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. ओके,
Yes, sir.
ये किसकी स्टोरी है भाई?
मेरी सर.
राजू, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग?
एक्चुअली क्या हुआ था,
बोलो.
सबसे पहले जब मैंने पिक्चर देखी तो पिक्चर को ऑब्जर्व करते करते मैं कैरेक्टर्स देखना भूल गया. तो फिर एक्शन, फिर थोड़ी देर पता चला कि टाइम को हो गया, एक्शन क्या लिखा, एक्शन नहीं सोच पाया. तब मैंने स्टोरी से स्टार्ट किया. तो स्टोरी लिखते लिखते कि मेरे पास एक्शन आ गया. तो एक्शन मैंने लास्ट में लिखा और जो नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स था वो लिख ही नहीं पाया. तो पता चला 7 से 10 कैरेक्टर मिनिमम था ही बस.
ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले तुम्हें 1 मिनट मिला था. 1 मिनट में यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व. मैंने तुम्हें क्या बोला? वेन एवर यू इनकाउंटर अ पिक्चर यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व सर्टेन थिंग्स. दैट इज फर्स्ट इज नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स, देयर जेंडर, देयर अटायर, देयर मूड एंड द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ द पिक्चर. क्या वो स्कूल में बैठे हैं, कॉलेज में बैठे हैं, ऑफिस में बैठे हैं, गाँव में बैठे हैं या शहर में बैठे हैं. समझ आ गया? अगर ये चीजें अगर आप ध्यान में रखोगे तो यू विल नेवर लाइक रिपीट योर मिस्टेक्स लाइक दिस. समझ आ रहा है राजू?
यस सर।
तुम्हारी हैंडराइटिंग देख रहे हो, क्या लिख रहे हो? एक्शन पार्ट में कुछ भी लिख दिया तुमने, मुझे तो समझ भी नहीं आ रहा, रीड भी नहीं हो रहा। ठीक है, वर्क अपॉन दैट।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, तुम्हारी स्टोरी अच्छी है, तुमने वो जो क्विज कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज करा दिया था ना इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ द टीचर। ठीक है हितेश, हितेश वेयर इज द मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट? तुम्हारा मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट कहाँ है? इनसर्कल क्यों नहीं किया सबको? एक को इनसर्कल करना था।
जी सर, आई हैव कंफ्यूजन सर, जो मेन कैरेक्टर वो बोर्ड पे पढ़ा रहा है सर, तो इसलिए मैंने नहीं किया सर।
ठीक है,
इसी में से करना जरूरी है सर।
इसी में से करना जरूरी है। देखो, जिसको तुम इनसर्कल कर रहे हो वो जरूरी नहीं है कि वो तुम्हारा हीरो होगा या नहीं होगा। ठीक है, तुम्हें बस एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर इनसर्कल करना है जो ग्रैब किया है तुम्हारी अटेंशन। इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो तुम्हारा हीरो ही होगा। यू जस्ट हैव टू मेंशन दैट आई हैव इनसर्कल्ड दिस कैरेक्टर बिकॉज दिस कैरेक्टर ग्रैब्ड माय अटेंशन। ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
he may or may not be your hero or protagonist. Got my point? At least you have to encircle one character until or unless
Okay.
there is no characters in the picture.
ओके सर,
Okay.
Understand.
Teaching sessions in government school. तुमने तो बीटेक वाला कुछ बनाया था।
सर ये गवर्नमेंट स्कूल की जगह सर यहाँ पे कॉलेज होना चाहिए था सर।
ठीक है,
गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, हाँ
College.
सर, वो मिस्टेक हुई, हाँ
ठीक है, सोच समझ के वहां पे बोला करो। ठीक है,
ठीक।
यहाँ पर
ठीक।
4th सेमेस्टर कर दिया तुमने, अभी स्कूल कॉलेज यहाँ पर तुम ऐसा गड़बड़ करते।
ये सर।
ठीक है, so your story was also good. So that's it for this story review.
ओके।
किसी को और कोई डाउट?
Sir, regarding psych, sir, need you some guidance. Sir, can you give some of the points to be remembered while going for the psych test?
ठीक है, फॉर साइक आई वुड सजेस्ट यू 70 to 80% वेटेज इज कैरिड बाय द टैट। तो अगर सबसे ज्यादा तैयारी करनी है, सबसे ज्यादा समय देना, तो टैट को दो। उसके बाद वैट, एसआरटी और एसडीटी की तो प्रैक्टिस कर ही लो। ठीक है, जितना कर सकते हो, लेकिन मेनली योर फोकस शुड बी ऑन थीमेटिक परसेप्शन टेस्ट। यस आशीष?
Sir, can I leave? I have to go to.
Yes, yes, you can leave. Others can leave. That's it. That's it for today's session. You can leave.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show